Did you know that there is a Medicare supplement plan available that covers 100% of the gaps left behind by original Medicare after a small yearly deductible? Hi, I'm Larry Goist, owner of LMS Insurance Group, where we help seniors navigate the Medicare maze. So in today's short video, I'm telling you guys all about the Medicare Supplement Plan G. And we're going to cover 4 basic topics. So number 1, I'm going to tell you exactly what a Medicare Supplement Plan G is. Secondly, I'll tell you how much one costs. Third, I will tell you the best time to enroll in a Medicare Supplement Plan G. And lastly, and most importantly, I'll tell you if it's worth your hard-earned money. That's all coming up next. So what exactly is a Medicare Supplement Plan G? Well, for starters, the words Medicare Supplement and Medigap are interchangeable. So throughout this video, I'll refer to the Plan G as a Medigap plan and a Medicare Supplement. That is the exact same thing. So Medigap plans are standardized, okay? So in every state except for 3 states, except for Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Massachusetts, these plans are standardized. And what that means is if you have a Plan G with, say, United Healthcare, well, that has the exact same coverage as a Plan G with Humana. And Humana's Plan G has the exact same coverage as Aetna's Plan G. But the only difference is the monthly price they charge you to have the plan, okay? So that's the first thing to know, is that these plans are standardized. You get the same exact coverage no matter what insurance company you get the Medicare supplement through. So in other words, a Plan G is a Plan G is a Plan G, okay? You and your neighbor can both have a Plan G. You have yours with Aetna. They have theirs with Humana. You have the exact same coverage, but yes, you pay a different monthly price. So as you can see from the chart that's up on the screen now, a Plan G covers 100% of what is left behind by original Medicare in every category except your Part B deductible. So what that means is your Plan G is going to step in. It's going to pay your Part A hospital deductible. It's going to pay your Part B coinsurance. It's going to pay your Part B excess charges. It's going to pay everything left behind by original Medicare after you've paid a $233 deductible for Part B. So when you go to the doctor or you have an outpatient service, you pay the first $233 of the year, and everything else is paid at 100% by the Medicare Supplement insurance company. Now, it's important to remember that the Medigap plan will only pay for something that Medicare also pays for, right? It's just picking up the gap left behind. And I say that because your Plan G, it's not going to pay for dental or vision because original Medicare doesn't pay for dental or vision. So this plan isn't giving you benefits that aren't covered by original Medicare. So original Medicare, they pay first, right? They pay their share of the claim, and then your Plan G comes in and it picks up the remaining balance after you paid your $233 yearly deductible. Another important thing to note is that there's no network in a Medicare Supplement Plan G, and that's because Medicare is still your primary payer. So you could go to any doctor or any hospital that accepts original Medicare if you have a Plan G. If I were to give you a Plan G, I don't have to ask who your doctors are or who your hospitals are. Because as long as they accept Medicare, they have to accept your Medigap Plan G no matter what insurance company it's through. So how much is a Plan G going to cost? So that is going to, vary very widely depending on how old you are and what part of the country you're in, okay? But for people turning 65, a Plan G ranges anywhere from $100 to $150 a month. And again, that depends on where you live, if you're a male or a female, and how old you are. Now, that's what we specialize in at LMS Insurance Group is we could get you a quote with 50 different insurance companies. And remember, every insurance company's Plan G is exactly the same. So you're going to have the exact same coverage no matter who we quote you with. The only difference is the price they're going to charge you. Now, these plans start, at $100 to $150 a month when you're 65, but then you're also subject to a rate increase every year. So every 12 months, the insurance company can give you a rate increase. These increases are generally, from $5 to $10 a year. So you might start at, $120 a month, but by the time you're 80 and you've had, 15 years of rate increases, you can totally expect your Plan G to be $200 or over. So when is the best time to buy a Plan G? Well, Medicare supplements, you have to health qualify to get these plans. The only time you don't have to health qualify is during your Medicare supplement open enrollment period. And your Medicare supplement open enrollment period, it starts 6 months from the day your Part B becomes active. So you have a 6-month window where you could get a Plan G and you don't have to go through medical underwriting. If you get it in that 6-month window, they don't ask you health questions, they cannot turn you down because of pre-existing conditions, and they can't charge you more because of your health. But that's the only time you are guaranteed to get a Plan G is your Medicare supplement open enrollment window. If you don't get it in that 6-month window and then later you want to buy a Plan G, well, you'll have to go through medical underwriting. You have to answer health questions, and the health insurance company can turn you down or they can charge you more to have your Plan G. So is a Plan G worth your hard-earned money? Well, the answer to that is relatively simple. Look, if a Plan G is something that's affordable to you, then it absolutely is worth every penny. And why do I say that? Well, with the Medicare supplement, with the Plan G, you have 100% coverage after you paid a small yearly deductible, $233. So that means if you go to the hospital for 50 days, you don't owe anything. If you're life flighted to Wisconsin, you don't owe anything. If you go for cancer treatments, if you've paid your $233 deductible, you don't owe anything. So you literally have 100% coverage across the board, and you don't have a network to stay in. So most of the plans you've had in your life, you've been in a network, right? You've had a PPO or an HMO. You've had to stay in a network of doctors, and you've also had co-pays and co-insurance. With a Plan G, none of that holds true. You don't have co-pays, you don't have co-insurance, and you don't have a network that you have to stay in. So Plan G is absolutely worth every penny that you would have to spend on it. Now, so many people ask me, they say, well, Larry, why doesn't everybody go with the Plan G? And again, that answer is simple. It's not affordable for everybody, okay? Remember, to have a Plan G, you have to have Medicare A and B, right? And to have Medicare Part B, you're paying $170 a month. So when you take on a Plan G, you're paying the $170, the Medicare, to have Part A and B, and then you're paying an additional premium every month for this insurance company to pick up all the gaps that are left behind by original Medicare. So if you take on a Plan G, you're paying your Part B premium, you're paying the premium for the Plan G, you also have to pay for a prescription drug plan on the side, and if you want dental or vision, you have to add that separately. So all in, it is completely realistic that you'll be paying, $300 a month to have your Plan G, your Medicare, your dental, and your prescription drug coverage. So, unfortunately, that's just not affordable for everybody. So for people in that situation, we talk to them more about Medicare Advantage plans as a good alternative. But if money was no factor, and you can afford this type of coverage, it is certainly worth every penny that you would spend to have that type of coverage. So that's what we're here at LMS Insurance Group to help you guys figure out. We're currently licensed in over 20 states across the U.S., and we partner with over 50 different insurance companies so that we can show you a variety of rates available in your area. If the Medicare Supplement Plan G is something you think is worth looking into, go ahead and reach out to us using our information listed below. We can give you a no obligation, free quote. And anybody that does business with us, we also provide lifetime billing and claim support services. We'll never make you get on the phone and call an 800 number to figure out why you got a bill. So guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a like or a share, as that's what helps our YouTube channel grow and spread this message to other people who might find it helpful. So I hope to hear from you guys, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Thanks so much for watching.